I am Homo sapiens. During the Miocene Epoch, approximately 23 million to 5.3 million years ago, many significant changes occurred in the evolution of primates and hominids. This period was an important phase in the development of primates and hominids, as it was during this time that the ancestors of modern apes and humans originated and diversified. Development of primates in the Miocene. Proconsul. Proconsul is considered one of the early primates of the Miocene epoch. It was found in Africa, and its body represents a transitional form between monkeys and apes. It did not have a tail, which is a distinctive feature of apes. Emergence of apes. During the Miocene, the superfamily Hominoidea, which includes modern apes, evolved. It included major ancient apes such as Dryopithecus, Civipithecus, Caniopithecus, and Gigantopithecus. The diversity of these ancient apes increased, with both arboreal, tree-dwelling, and terrestrial, ground-dwelling, forms emerging. Development of hominids. In the later part of the Miocene epoch, hominids, the group of ancestors of humans, evolved. This is significant because it was during this time that the branch emerged which later led to the evolution of humans, Homo sapiens. Civipithecus. It is a Miocene ape found in the region of modern-day India and Pakistan. It is often considered an ancestor of the modern orangutan. Its facial structure resembled that of orangutans. Dryopithecus. It was found in Europe and Asia. Its body was adapted for arboreal life, but it lacked characteristics of bipedalism. It is considered one of the early branches of hominid evolution. During the Miocene, there were major climatic changes that had a profound impact on the evolution of primates and hominids. Forests gave way to the expansion of grasslands. The expansion of grasslands forced arboreal primates to descend to the ground. This transition laid the foundation for the development of bipedalism. Development of hominins in the late Miocene. Sahelanthropus cadensis, approximately 7 million years ago. It is considered one of the earliest branches to diverge from the common ancestor of humans and apes. It exhibited partial bipedalism. Auroran approximately 6 million years ago. The leg bones of this species suggest that it was bipedal. It is possibly one of the earliest branches in human evolution. Ardipithecus, approximately 5 to 6 million years ago. It is considered an early form of hominins. It was capable of both arboreal and terrestrial activities. This period gave rise to a clear division between apes and hominids. Early bipedalism and hominid-specific traits began to emerge. This was the time when our ancestors started adapting to life in open grasslands after moving out of dense forests. The Miocene epoch was a revolutionary time for the evolution of primates and hominids. This period is extremely important for understanding the roots of their physical, behavioral, and environmental adaptations. Other mammals in the Miocene epoch. During the Miocene epoch, grasslands were rapidly expanding, while the area of forests was shrinking. This transformation played a decisive role in the evolution of mammalian species. The expansion of grasslands forced both herbivores and their predators to develop new physical characteristics for running faster and surviving longer. Ancestors of horses like Merychippus and Hipparion emerged during the Miocene epoch. Their teeth became adapted for grazing on grass, and their long legs evolved for running swiftly. Early elephant lineages like Gomphotherium and Deinotherium evolved during the Miocene. Their trunks and tusks became elongated, aiding in feeding and other activities. Paraceratherium, which was discussed in the previous video on Oligocene mammals and is considered the largest land mammal ever, also existed during the Miocene. Unique herbivorous mammals like calicotheres, as well as animals like Miohippus and deer, developed rapidly during this period. Among predators, large hunters such as Amphiceon and Barbourofelis evolved. The ancestors of saber-toothed cats, such as Macaridus, were found during this time. Marine mammals like early whales such as Cetatherium and creatures like Desmostylis also evolved during the Miocene epoch. Giant sharks like Carcharocles megalodon preyed on these aquatic mammals. Horses like Pliohippus and giraffes like Paleotragus adapted quickly to the grassland environment.